I'm going to show you how the sound of the letter I can change depending on where it is in the word. As you can see, none of these words have the letter E at the end. However, all of these words have the letter E at the end. And although they may look the same, they all sound different from each other. So I'm going to show you how the letter E changes the sound of the entire letter. This word is lit. 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 This word is light. 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 Kit. Kit. Kite. Kite. Sit. Sit. Sight. Sight. Bit. Bit. Bite. Bite. Fin. Fin. Fine. Fine.